The Federal Reserve's decision to raise its basic interest rate by 0.75% will have an impact on local consumers and businesses.
As Money editor Jon Delano reports, there are some financial strategies to minimize the impact.
Duquesne University economist Anthony Davies says making it more expensive to borrow money usually means people and businesses borrow and spend less money.
What it's looking to do is control inflation. And the way you control inflation is by contracting the money supply.
But that means higher interest rates on variable rate loans, like credit cards, car loans, home equity loans, and most commercial business loans. So what should you do?
Pay down your high interest rate, your variable interest rate loans. That's basically credit cards. Get rid of that credit card debt.
Financial advisors agree. As interest rates go up on your credit cards and loans, making it more expensive to borrow, pay off those loans quicker than usual.
Well, you may want to prioritize that for your next dollar of savings. Even though we say it's very important to save and put money in your IRA and 401k, if you have very expensive debt like credit cards or maybe some car loans or a student loan, that may be the best home for your next dollar.
With credit cards, don't borrow more than you can pay off each month, bringing your credit card debt to zero. And put off spending as much as possible, say advisors.
Try to pay that card off month to month so that you're not carrying any interest costs. Now is the time where you really need to be monitoring your budget and monitoring excess cash flow. And, if there's something that you need, do you absolutely need it today? Or is that something that maybe you can continue to build that savings bucket up and pay for that down the road?
Another tip, cut back a bit on your credit card. Pay in cash or use a debit card where you can only spend what you have. It's a delicate balance. The Fed wants to curb spending based on borrowing without throwing the country into a recession. Jon Delano, KDKA News.